Did you know that goats do not have top teeth? They only have bottom teeth. And they like to eat pears.
This is a beaver skull. Did you know that beavers' teeth grow through their whole entire life? They never stop.
Did you know that baby bunnies are born in a bunch of fur that their mom got from their neck to keep them warm when they are born?
Baby bunnies have teeth, little itty bitty ones, and their eyes are also closed when they're born. And they're 3 inches long.
This is a duck egg and this is a chicken egg. Did you know that duck eggs are thicker than chicken eggs?
Did you know that baby goats can walk a few minutes after they're born? Just like this baby angel.
This is an incubator and it keeps the eggs warm for 21 days and then the eggs hatch into baby chickens.
Do you know that you can make, with just 1 pound of wool, you can make 10 miles of yarn?